In this Guru Schools lesson, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the budgeting option. And trust me, it's really important, because without budget, you cannot run your ad, and without budget, you cannot make your mind that how you really want to run the ad, and for which time, for like how long you want to run the ad, right? So we need to discuss about it. We need to think about it before running any ad, or actually before creating any ad. And how will it decide your budget? That we'll learn once we'll start creating our keywords. And I'll show you how. Don't worry about that. I'll show you how we can adjust that as well. But as of now, as you can see, after the language option, there we have the budget option, where it says enter the average you want to spend each day. It's really simple, as we can learn it from here, and it's asking us what is your daily budget. I'm not saying to put like thousands of amount for a daily budget, but yes, not to make a minimum budget as well, like just 100 or 200 rupees. Why? Because if you go for 100 and 200, then it won't create that impact. Suppose if your competitor is spending more than 1000, 2000 on daily basis, right? And you are only spending just 200, 300, just 10% of it, it really won't work out for you. So think about it. Think about this in this way, just like you're gonna go ahead and what you need to do is you need to put at least 50% of your efforts, so that you can also be in that market and you can also put yourself ahead, right? You need to think about yourself that suppose if you are, you know what, let me tell you about myself. What I do is I'll make my minimum target that at least I'll cross 100 people daily on my ad. That to be on click, CPC, that's click per cost. I want to cross 100 people who will click to my ad and lands on my landing page. And how do I get to know what is the cost of 100 clicks? Let me show you. Where do I get that? We need to go to the tools and settings. We go to keyword planner. And then inside the keyword planner, suppose my keyword, I would say discover new words. Let's go for the new one. And suppose my keyword is education. Suppose my keyword is education, and I wanna get the results. Right. Once I get the result, look at this. In the education, this is low, really low. It really costs only 6 rupees 14 paise for one time. That too, highest is 27 paid. Do you see this only, which has only the low criteria, that's also getting 27 rupees paid. But I would say education, let's suppose make it as IIT coaching. It would cost, literally, just look at that, and it would cost so much. We'll look that IIT coaching, and let's see the results. It's medium, and it's costing minimum 18 rupees, right? So suppose if it's, suppose I want to make them into 100. So if I multiply that 18 rupees into 100, that's 1800. Minimum criteria is going to be 2000 rupees per day. So I would suggest you can choose your keywords, or you can choose your minimum budget for daily. Just use keywords planner, or if you want to go for Chirag, Fowler coaching, whatever you like, Super 30 coaching, these has a low criteria. You know, at least go for medium, which has high. That's a really different thing. It's online G coaching. G is a very good website, right? We cannot compete with that in a starting age, right? In a starting platform, we cannot compete with it. So you can start with medium one. Go for online, go for this IIT preparation, go for best coaching IIT. These are the medium rating, and these are the basic costs as well. Online G coaching, it's 30. It's starting with 30 and ending with 105. Just look at this. What is the bid of it? It's the top page of bid and with the high range. Right? So make sure whatever you do it with the knowledge, and you have to be prepared very well. You cannot go for like, okay, today I'm creating 2000 rupees and next day I'm doing it to buy 200. It won't work out for you. At one day you are taking 100 people to your sites, and next day you are taking just 5 people to your sites. This is how you cannot make your place in the market. You have to be literally little bit strong. At least you should start with 1000 rupees. This is what my criteria says, or else you can also start with 500 rupees too. That's totally up to you and totally up to your pocket. And see the responses first. If you're getting good responses on that particular thing, then go for it. Otherwise, don't go for that option again. That's what my criteria says. If you have a very good budget, run 2 to 3 and 4 programs. What my criteria says run 3 to 4 campaigns at the same moment so that you can get the results from everywhere. Suppose if you have 2000 rupees, you can run 4 programs by 500 budget at the same time. Right? This is called smart work. So you also have to do some smart work as per your choice. The keywords cost the same, but if you run different platforms, if you run on different campaigns, it really works well. Right? So now, suppose now let's take another example. Suppose IIT coaching is the first example on which I would suggest you to go for 18. But if you want to be on a top range, so what is the highest bid? It's 64 rupees, right? At least 70 rupees, 65 rupees you can take it approximately, as this is 0.96. So this is says top of page bid. This is the highest range. If you want to be on a page, top of the page, then you have to do this. Suppose that's in India. Of course, I can target my location. That's only Delhi. I can do this. I have targeted and I want to close the India. I would say save it. And now it would refresh it. Now look at this. In India, in Delhi, it's 20 and it's 66. So if I want to be on top in Delhi, then I have to make 66 rupees per click. Right? Let's take an example through mathematically so that we can get more clear about everything. Right? Suppose, let me take you through with that. Wait, there it is. Suppose this is what my monthly budget is. Suppose my daily budget is 1000 rupees, and according to this, my monthly spend is 30,000. Right? That's right. Then CPC, my cost per click is 50 rupees. Let's make it as 66, what I just told you. Right? Of course, every equation gone a little bit. Oh, wait. Let me delete every decimal so that we are more clear. And yes, one more time. There we go. Now it's sorted. Suppose my daily budget is 1000 rupees and my monthly spend is of course 30,000 and my cost per click is 66 rupees, as I told you, for my only IIT word. Right? Only in Delhi. That's in Delhi for top of the page. This is what I'm bidding to be on the top of the page, right? Now, of course, if I'm paying 66 for per click, then of course, if I'm spending 1000 rupees in a day, then in a day I'm getting 15 clicks only 15 clicks. Then in month I'm getting 455 clicks. I'm sorry for that. If you want to see the calculation, I can show you, as I have already generated some formulas in my Excel. So if you want to see that, you can see 15 into 30. It's 450. What did I do? 15 into 30. That's right. It's as I have made it round figure. If you want to check the formula, it's B4. That's B4 into 30. I haven't done anything. Okay, so don't doubt on me. It's very simple. If you are getting 66 rupees per cost of a click, and if you are getting 15 clicks in a day, then of course you are getting only in month 455 clicks. That's not sufficient. Let me tell you one thing. And then after getting 455 clicks, these are only clicks, not your leads, not your customers. Then your conversion rate is 10%. 10% of your daily leads, which means it's total clicks of or daily lead, it's gonna be only 2. And if I take monthly leads, that's only gonna be 45. Look at this. There's a formula. Nothing checking. Then we have leads of customer rate. which means from lead to customer rate, it's 20. And if I convert 45, if I take the 20% of 45, it's only 9 people. In a month, you are only, after spending 30,000 rupees, you are only converting 9 people. That's not sufficient at all. What you need to do, you need to shift, you need to use different budget so that you can at least change it. You can change from 15 to 100 clicks. You need to, of course, increase your budget. So what's gonna be your budget? I guess it's 30,000 if I'm not wrong. Oh, it's 455. Let's make it short. 10,000. I guess 10,000 is also more. Let's go for 8,000. It's 181. Let's go for more, less. Yeah, I guess this is okay. If you will spend 7,000 on a daily basis, then you will be able to touch 106 clicks in a single day. Then, of course, at the end, after doing all the calculation, you will get 64 customers in a month. That's still okay. That's still okay. And this is what the, your competitors does. What they do is, they make their budget on the upper level and their daily target is set. That's minimum these click on a daily basis. If you'll set this budget now, if you'll set this budget, let me give it a color. A little bit, yes. If you'll set this budget, if you'll set this target in your mind, then of course you will be able to achieve more than this. If your conversion rate from lead to customer, let's suppose it's just because of your quality, just because of your people, good people on the call, or maybe your content, maybe you will increase the rate from lead to customer rate. Suppose it increases to 40%. Your customer will automatically increase under this same scenario, right? So remember, we have talked about two things. One was bidding and one was quality score. Quality score plays 50% role, which plays here after converting your lead into the customer. Quality score matters there, but bidding matters from starting till your lead. That really matters. I'm not saying to start spending 7,000 rupees in a single go. But yes, if your pocket allows, that's what I would suggest you. So what I would suggest you is, the main criteria to suggest you here is clearly go for those things which your pocket allows. And second thing, if you see that your, suppose, let me take you another example. Let's suppose if I am here and I want to change it. IIT coaching really costs us so much. Suppose if I go for flowers, that really doesn't cost too much. Let me show you. Look at this. It's only 34 rupees, the highest. Suppose if I come back to my Excel sheet and if I make my budget low, let me show you how many clicks you can get. The highest is 66, in which flower delivery offers. But suppose as of now, I'm only going for 34.75. So suppose my click rate is 34 and the budget is 1,000. Look at this. Still you are getting 35 people at the end of the month. But prior to that, if you're using a heavy words which costs us so much and still you're not getting results, that's not a good thing. If you're using a very good keywords, then you need to go for good budget too. I really understand your quality score maybe has a very good thing, but still without bidding, you cannot beat your competitors. If you have to be in a race, you have to fast, right? So these are some points which you need to keep that in mind before creating any ad or before putting your step into the race. So make sure whatever you do on a right track, on a right path. And what the best solution is, make these kind of Excel sheets for your budget. That would really help you, right? That's all for now. Today's homework, really simple. Find the keywords of your choice. Take the initiative to set your budget. Try to look the cost of your keywords and try to set your budget. If you need any assistance, do let us know. All right. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next class.